Hey, happy Wednesday. I love summer, don't you? I can wear less clothing, I can go barefoot. It's like being a kid again, very freeing. So warm weather brings out more motivation for being outdoors, moving the body, walking, hiking, swimming, biking, participating in sports, or just watching. And then there's travel. We love to visit new destinations in the car, in the plane. The sun inspires us to have fun. And so now, the other side of outdoor and fun. Sunburn, skin scrapes, strawberries from sliding to base, bug bites, muscle strain from weekend warriors, travel gut, and overstimulated and tired children. You get the picture? I love summer. So thank you for watching my video. It's exciting to share safe, natural, and effective products that not only will help you feel better, be more lovely inside, but save money. I will cover today the Ready for Anything Kit, or my Summer Survival Kit, the turmeric, the golden essential for aches, immunity, brain, and skin health, and the Rose Duet. It is back, but nearly sold out. And that is because the damask rose and moringa oil is a luxurious treat for the body and mind that you deserve. So if you are new to doTERRA, you may not know that they produce the highest quality oils and are #1 in the world now. Why? Well, because their mission statement is to have a healer in every home using the safest, most effective, and pure essential oils. Whether you are nurturing or not, the body is designed to heal, and using plant-based products to support the power of healing the cell. Okay, saving money. You have an option to get a wholesale account and get 25% off all year, anytime you need a product, and it comes with lots of perks like oil and wellness education from me and my team, free products and samples, a personal wellness consult from a holistic nutritionist, me, and ongoing support. Or you can just purchase retail directly from me, these fabulous products, so you can feel confident you have the best for your family. Okay, so let's get into the Ready for Anything Kit, which is my summer survival bag. Well, okay, so I carry these essential oils all year long. And then here's my purse. All right, don't judge me. All right, ladies, this is why deep blue is a godsend for carrying around, when we carry around everything but the kitchen sink in our purse. All right, so that is why the Ready for Anything Kit is nice. It's designed to be lightweight travel. All right, so first of all, what I carried with me since the pandemic started 3 years ago is the doTERRA hand sanitizer. Of course, washing your hands in the sink with doTERRA On Guard foaming soap is my choice. There are times when, of course, when you're outdoors or out and about, like at a picnic, and the outhouse is ick, or traveling in a plane when we want to create an aura of disinfecting around us. And I use it a lot when I'm shopping or picking up a bite to eat on the go. Just admit it, you guys. You wonder what germs all the time now that you picked up. Sorry, the pandemic has ruined this for us. Okay, so why On Guard and not the million other hand sanitizers on the market? Well, 2 reasons. All right, it's a powerful plant-based antimicrobial product with CPTG, cinnamon, clove, rosemary, wild orange, eucalyptus, and a glycerin and apple extract base for soft, velvety skin, and ethyl alcohol. Yes, it's the kind that is in alcoholic drinks, not the toxic kind that you don't want absorbed into your bloodstream. Second, it protects your skin microbiome, and it preserves the natural protective bacteria that the other hand sanitizers and constant washing strip. So I just spritz it in like this, and I put my hands together. Oh, that smells wonderful. And then the next one is Lavender Touch. Yes, you get this one also. This is a pocket-sized lavender. It is pre-diluted, and it's convenient. So you just put it in your pocket. This is where you just roll it on the bites, campfire burns, sunburns, just plain irritated skin. Now this is our Swiss Army knife of essential oils. And it is also calming to the emotions, like too much vacation closeness. It just roll it on the back of the neck and the wrists, and change of emotional atmosphere. And then there's the too much fun. Overstimulated little ones that are inconsolable, roll this on the bottom of their feet or just put it on their shirt. All right, next one up is Peppermint Beadlets. So whoever invented this is a genius. These little tiny beadlets, they're just a quarter of a drop of peppermint. And it's just the right amount not to get blown away by the power of peppermint. So just pop it in your mouth, dissolve it in water, and you're just gonna feel the energy and stamina and improve while you're driving, and late in the night, or if you're exercising. So it's my choice for motion sickness or just the popping of the ears when flying. And of course, if you're in other people's space, it is a savior for those around you. All right, the next is TerraShield spray. It is for bugs and pests, and they can be tiny or they can actually be people. So that is an amazing thing about essential oil, is that they create this emotional protection as well as physical. So I remember the days when we went camping and our little ones, when we had our little ones, and I would just cringe when I had to use DEET. Oh, what did I know? I just didn't want them to get eaten alive. So last night I was with my mom. We were sitting on the porch enjoying the exploding noises of the 4th of July, and we were joined by a swarm of mosquitoes. So I pulled out her TerraShield and I sprayed it on our arms and our legs, back of the neck, and not one bite on either of us, or protection. All right, next one, Correct X. So the Correct X, boy, how can this little tube soothe the worst alley? Well, Correct X is our natural Neosporin. Skin knees, strawberry scrapes, wrestling, things picked up playing in the dirt. These high-end skin-supporting oils of frankincense, helichrysum, the oil of trauma, lavender, tea tree, cedarwood, and a base of jojoba and botanicals, they just soothe and nourish and support repair of the skin. Now, I cut my thumb pretty badly doing a summer activity. That was cutting watermelon. My first reaction was helichrysum and lavender. And then after the bleeding was under control, I pulled out my Correct X. And I used a tiny bit a few times a day, and I didn't have any throbbing at night. And in 3 days, the tenderness was gone and the wound was closing nicely. So see what I mean? The power of essential oils to support the healing of the cells. So I love the sun, right? But it has loved me too many times that I can count. So I carry this Sun Face and Body Mineral Sunscreen stick with me wherever I go, just in case I'm in the sun too long. And the doTERRA mineral-based sunscreen, it's the way to go. You're gonna find it's gonna be easy to apply. It reflects the sun, it nourishes the skin, it's non-toxic. And did you know that when you add 25 to 50 more SPF to your sunscreen, it only offers 1 to 2% more protection? And then you get all these toxic ingredients so that it absorbs into your bloodstream. So that's not for me. So apply it when you are biking, hiking, swimming, sightseeing, or doing yard work, or you can have your fun after 4 p.m. All right, last but not least, in the Ready for Anything Survival Kit is the Deep Blue, the Muscle Soothing Relief, these little packets. Now, Deep Blue has a reputation also that precedes itself for soothing muscle aches and inflammation, and usually I carried in the Deep Blue Rub And then we also have the deep blue stick. But now I just carry the small little packet. And do you guys get Charlie horses at night, right? Like from too much fun during the day? Well, this is my go-to. And I just apply it for pre and post workout. And if you're a marathoner, this is wonderful. Soothes backache, strain from yard work, or just acting like a kid again and having fun in the sun. So you can order this get ready for anything kit now, and then you get a waterproof bag to keep them all together. And so that would mean that everyone would know where you keep these protective relief-giving products when life happens, when you're having fun. So just click on the link and check out the purchase of the kit. And then there's a fine print on the button, and it says that all products are in the cart. So just X out the products you're not ready to purchase and just fill out your info, and you will get all the perks that go along with the wholesale account. So are you ready for the second special? Okay, here it is. Where did I put it? It is, oh, here it is, the turmeric. All right, the golden turmeric essential oil. This is an everyday oil that I use for metabolic health. It supports glucose and fat metabolism, 2 drops in a capsule. So every day. Again, turmeric's reputation precedes itself for soothing inflammation, calming the nervous system, increasing curcumin absorbability 12 times. And okay, so I like the effects of turmeric internally and soothing discomfort topically, but the woody aroma, not so much. But I do it anyways, adding rosemary or peppermint or lemon with turmeric to increase my brain sharpness, because I came across this clinical study, which is pretty groundbreaking. And if you ever read any clinical studies, at the end they always say they need to do more tests because it guarantees a job for them. So in vitro and in vivo air tumerones, which are what is in the essential oil, were shown to support neurostem cells to multiply for the regeneration in neurological disease. So if you want the study, just ask for it. So just saying, I will do just about anything to support the health of my brain neurons. Okay, and just click on the link button and learn more about what turmeric can do for you. Now, disclaimer, this video is just for educational purposes and only, and not to treat or prevent or cure disease. All right. Okay, the third special that is from last month, and they sold 50% of the Duets in June, and they cut it off to save it for this month. People went wild because they knew this was a limited offer. So our Damask Rose is from the state-of-the-art doTERRA Esoter distillery in Bulgaria. This is where it's the perfect climate for and soil to grow the amazing aromatic flowers. So it's just a joy to wake up and spray this rose, I'll lose my place, rose Hydrosol on my face, and then I apply this light velvety African damask Rose Moringa oil. That's a lot to say. And I put it on your skin, and it nourishes and balances. So get this Duet experience with the highest healing energy of all plants, and that is a rose. It is calming to the nervous system, and it's so stress relieving. So if you are ready to stop and smell the roses and enjoy the luxurious benefits, click below to learn more about this product and purchase the Duets while supplies last. So if you want to know more about doTERRA reviving the distillation and aromatic plant industry in the poverty-stricken Bulgaria after the fall of communism, again, just ask. So, because, you know, when it comes right down to it, doTERRA is impacting the world, one drop at a time with you and me. So thanks for sticking around till the end. You are amazing for loving natural support for you and your family. And just click below to learn more and order the products. And remember to click the X in the cart on any product that you're not ready to order and get 25% off for a whole year, and get a goodie bag of samples, free education, and an invite to my private Facebook, Whales for Life, and a wellness consult and continued support from me. Also contact me directly to purchase retail. Oh, and if you are in Ohio, look for the doTERRA booth at the Ohio State Fair and the Dark County Fair and get a free gift. Enjoy your summer.